Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say thank you and I would like to invite you to please come join the gang. Well, it's been a while since the last time I did my unboxing. I have a couple of subscription and I thought I'm going to discontinue it. Today we are going to unbox our April 2018 Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21 and I'm going to put all the links down below. You will receive 4 to 5 full sizes ranging from beauty tools, makeup to skincare. This is the card. The card consists of the product that is inside this box. And the first product is from MAC Cosmetics. Retail price for this is $21. This is the Liptensity lipstick. This is the lipstick. I'm not going to use this. Put this in my giveaway box. The second product is from Colourpop. Colourpop is a cruelty-free cosmetics based here in Los Angeles. Colourpop is one of my favorite cosmetic products. I have a high-end quality in a very low cost. And this is the Element of Surprise. Retail price for this is $16. I'm going to put this back in the box. I'm going to put this in my giveaways. The third product is from Dr. Brant. I always for the past few months, I've been receiving Dr. Brant product from Boxycharm. Retail price for this is $47. And this is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. This mask claims to unclog and tighten the look of your pores. The fourth product is from Browgal, and this is an instant tinted eyebrow gel with microfiber in it, and it is retail for $22. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to, like what I said earlier, I'm going to put this in my giveaway box. I love brushes. You cannot have too much brush. And if you do agree, put that on the comments down below. And this is from Miss Glam. Retail price for this is $38.50. That is so crazy. This is a crease brush and this is a flat brush. Love the color, love the design, good for my collection. I hope you like our unboxing for this month. If you are considering subscribing to Boxycharm, I'm going to put all the links down below. And you can use my code. If you're going to subscribe for this month, Boxycharm has no wait list anymore. That's it for today and thank you so much. And before you head out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll get notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys.